Good afternoon. Today is Monday, May 22nd, 2023. I am here at Julington Creek Marina, and this is an after video of the cleaning for our celebration. There is one spot on the water line that I do want to take a quick look at. Just had a few concerns, and we'll get there and I'll show you. Okay, so this part of the water line, you see the white spots here? That's where a lot of the ablative paint has been rubbed off. So if I scrub too much on that, it could start taking more of your ablative off, and then that would lead to even more growth getting over there.